Welcome to episode 1. This is Model Rockets 321. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also have the Instagram, that's at Model Rockets 321. And welcome to this episode. Right now we are going to talk about this kit. It's a great rocket. It's called the Deuces Wild. It's by Flis Kits. They were bought by another company, I believe, or they're out of business. I think they got bought. But I'm not sure if this kit may be out of production. I bought this years ago and I built it years ago. And what makes it unique is that it flies on 2 engines, not 1 but 2. Both engines will be ignited at the same time. It will go up, leave distinct 2 trails of smoke in the sky, and it will recover. It hauls, you know what, really fast. So you gotta keep an eye on it. But you'll see the whole flight. It's a good rocket, and I like the way the engines are canted, they call it, to like they're angled, they're not straight. And it was a very unique rocket where most you have the engine dead center. These two go off to the side. So this is a kit I had for a very long time. I actually made these decals because it didn't come with any, so I made these water slide decals. That's a whole nother video we can discuss if you'd like to hear more about making your own decals. I've made several for like scale kits and for fun and different ones. So back to Deuces Wild. Like I said, it's a great rocket. Got a little short, stubby nose cone. Real cool design. And those canted fins, as you can see. Both engines, I'll actually show you how they go in. They go in like this. There's no engine hook or anything. But what you have to do is you have to put tape around the engine and around part of the engine tubes. So you put masking tape around here and masking tape around here. Leave both holes open. Now you're asking, how do you ignite both? And that is very simple. You take your igniter. You have 2 of these, 2 igniters, 1 in each. Once it goes on a launch rod, I usually do it launch rod and then 1 igniter in here. I'm not going to put it in. And then the other igniter goes in here. So you have 2 igniters taped in or engine plugged in. And then you have a special device, this right here. I'll sit this right here for a second. This is known as a clip whip. You have 4 clips here, but they all run into the normal one. Normally you would just hook this. This will be you hooked your controller to this. You hook your controller to this, and this will run to those igniters. And this is how you ignite a cluster of engines. Use a clip whip. You can have clip whips to ignite 4 engines. You probably can do as many as you want, as long as you have enough power going to them to ignite them all at the same time. I have ones that'll launch 4 engines. So this is 2. I have another one that's 3. Then I have one that's 4. So that's how you take care of that. So yeah, clustering is a good technique. I mean, you can see all 4 flames and a lot of them. It's a very it's a challenging thing to do to get them all to ignite, but it happens. I mean, as long as you have enough power and you have the clip whip and it's built right, and you're good to go. I actually purchased these years ago from a company called Thrustline Aerospace. If anybody's been around rocketry for a while, you know Thrustline. Very good company. They made some good kits. Real good guy. The owner was a cool guy. I forget his name now, but Thrustline Aerospace was good. I still have a couple of their kits actually. So this is a clip whip. This is a Deuces Wild. 2 engines, 2 igniters, and it will go. It will go. It's a very fun rocket. Very fun rocket. Great design when it came out. This is stuck probably. Oh yeah, I got it. Yeah, very good design when it was released. I knew once I saw it, I was like, oh man, that's great. So that's my Deuces Wild. Welcome to this episode again, and like, share, and subscribe to Model Rockets 321. Ring the bell to get the notifications. Also, I'm on Instagram at Model Rockets 321, covering all topics model rocketry and hobby rocketry. We'll get into it all. Leave your comments below, suggestions, anything. And I'll get back to you. Yep. Take it easy.